Okay, I've been having a problem with my Trackstar 6100 kV power system. It was working fine, and then it started to act weird, and then it stopped, and I thought it was fine again. But now it's starting to do it again. I have it on my custom car, but everything is how it should be. I have my gear mesh adjusted correctly, not too tight, not too loose, closer to a little too loose, but I'm using this Nanotech 1000 milliamp 2S and a Hobby King 6-channel transmitter and receiver for the 3-channel one. We got a servo. Everything's stock. I did not modify any of this. The only solder joint I've done is the battery, as you can see right there. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn the transmitter on and flip this. As you can tell, servo works, so everything's connected. And as you can tell, it did not beep. So look at what it does. I'll show I'm going all the way full throttle. It sometimes starts and then kind of pulses, but you can hear that. But now it's not doing anything at all. It was working fine, and then it started doing this, but then it stopped, so I didn't really pay attention to it. But now it's doing it again. So here, let me turn this off and turn that off. Turn it back on. And yeah, before it was actually doing something, and I am not running it on a high gear ratio at all. It's decent. I've done tests and it had a ton of torque. It was fine with this same gear ratio, and as you can tell, that isn't tight or anything. Servo works, so everything's connected, but it's not really working, and I've not overheated this or anything. It's been quite fine. Oh, there we go. And as you can tell, I'm holding it, just giving it a little bit of throttle. Okay, now it's working, but if I flip this off, see if it'll work again. I'll flip this on, and this time it didn't beep again. Yeah, see, it's pulsing. It does this, and that's holding the stick in the same place. And it does this until like 3/4 throttle, then it starts to work fine. Right there. And I go, and it does this in reverse too. You can see, I'm giving it a good amount of throttle, and it's still doing this. It was working fine. I've tested this. It worked pretty great, but then it started doing this again, and it's not doing anything. Let me turn that off. Let's see, I'll try and let's see, maybe fine. And I always turn the transmitter on first, then this, so nothing, I've not done that. And it didn't beep. It's supposed to beep, so yeah, that's it. Okay.